Welcome back to today's episode. So in this video we are going to learn how you can remove your account from Dormant if you are using Fidelity Bank account. As for the other banks, I don't know much about them, but as for Fidelity Bank, I've been using it for a while now, so I know much about it. So in this video I'm going to share with you the simple way you can remove your account from Dormant. So Dormant happens when you don't use your account for some period of time, and whenever you're ready to use it, you just have to go to the office and reactivate it. So before I will go straight to this point, I would like I would like to share this with you that if you're having more than 2,000 Ghana cedis in your bank account, you just have to visit your bank before the Dormant can be removed. But if you're not having any money on your account, what you need to do is to type in this code, and then your account will be reopened. But before then, you just have to get yourself the number you used in registering your account. Yes, and then you just have to place some money on it. So those of you who owe the MTN quick loan, that means it's going to be very difficult for you to reactivate your account. So you just have to get yourself a phone with money in your mobile money account. So what you need to do is to go, I'm going to straight to my phone screen and then show you guys how to do it. So what you need to do is to type in this code *776. so *776 hash is Fidelity Bank's code. You can use this code to send and receive transfer money to your bank account, withdraw money from your bank account, but that is not what you're talking about. So don't type *776 hash, just type *776 *77 hash. And after doing this, if your account is on Dormant, you will get to know after typing your bank account number. So let me do that, and then I have my bank account number in my head, so I will just type it over here. So you can see over here it says welcome to Fidelity Bank, enter your bank account number. So what I'm going to do is to type in my bank account number over here, and then all right, so you can see over here it says the provider account is not on Dormant. Thank you for using Fidelity Bank mobile app. So this is thank you for using mobile bank Fidelity mobile banking. So that means my account is not on Dormant. But let me explain to you, if you are facing this, you just have to continue with it, and then what you need to do is to deposit about 1 CD from your mobile money to your bank account, and right after doing this, your account will be reactivated, and then you can use your account successfully. But if you want to change anything, you can type in *776 hash over here again, and then go straight to this bottom section, right? All right, so you can see over here it says account services. So I have already done a video about how you can link a mobile money account to your Fidelity Bank account. So you can just go out there to check that video from my channel. So over here it says you can contact them by using option 5 over here, and then you can go to option 2 for transfer over here. This is where you can send and receive money using your Fidelity Bank, using your mobile money. Yes, you can use to withdraw and then send money to your bank. Okay, so let me go back again by typing *0 hash, sorry, and then go back, and then you can use any of these options over here whenever they are needful to you. So account services is number 1, and you can go to the section where it says option 4 is wallet services. This is where you can link your mobile money to your Fidelity Bank account. So you can see over here link wallet, you just have to choose number 1, and then you can option 2 says confirm OTP. So after linking it, you just have to confirm, and then number 3 talks about you unlinking the wallet. So if I want to link any wallet, I can just type in that, and you can see AT money, MTN mobile money, and then all those stuffs. So I have to go back by typing 1, all right, hash, and then go back, and then if I want to unlink any number that have been already linked, I can type in option 3 over here, and then option 3 talks about these are the numbers that have already linked to Fidelity Bank, and I can send and receive any money through these numbers over here. So if I want to remove any of that, I just have to select the number attached to the number over here. So we have number 1, number 2. Number 1 is MTN, number 2 is 3cell. So I can remove any of these numbers and as simple as that. That is it. So if today happens to be your first time seeing me, my name is Richmond, and this is what I share on this channel. All you need to do is to type subscribe, like the video, and comment down all the videos that you want me to do, all the things that you want me to do video about in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on. See you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out.